I'm here with Joe Kane, who is founder of JK Production, and you've got your baby right in front of you here. Maybe you can give us some detail. But this is, I think it's not only the product, but the whole philosophy, your whole philosophy, why you've developed this concept that we should get out there to our viewers.
Well, of course, our television system is a communication system, and it has a particular capability. I happen to think high definition is absolutely spectacular. But there aren't a lot of display devices out there that can actually show you what high definition is capable of doing. So in cooperation with Samsung, we've helped develop a display device that meets system standards. It meets the canvas capability of the real high definition system. Mm-hmm. So what we've done is we've made this a true high definition video projector. So it does everything right according to the system standards within the limitations of a single chip 1080p DLP projector. And of course, the projector is only a small part of what happens. Once you get the image out of the projector, it of course goes on a screen, and if the screen isn't right, you'll never see what the projector is producing. So the Samsung projector, along with the Stewart screen, is the combination that can end up showing you, or is a really good combination that could end up showing you what high definition is all about. As I've stated earlier, the company is all about getting the consumer to recognize how good high definition is and how worthwhile it is having it and how much they should be asking for the very best quality that can be delivered. And they're never going to know whether they've got good quality or bad quality unless they have something that meets
until they can be able to compare the quality, then they'll know. No, we've made such a quantum jump, and we've gone from the VHS standard to the DVD standard. We've made a huge quantum jump, and I think we're in for another quantum jump if we can show the people that actually there is the quality there.
Well, this projector has gone further than that in showing studios their own work and showing post-production houses their own work. On this, they've recognized that, oh my gosh, we've got to do a better job in what we're doing, because this projector is so good that you can see the difference, readily see the difference between something. Things go wrong in post-production where the monitors that they're using in post-production, you can't see the errors that are happening. Yet you put it on this, and this will show you what you've got. And it doesn't hide anything, it doesn't mask anything. And so the post-production community is looking at this and saying, oh my gosh, we can, for the first time, actually see what they're producing. And so it not only offers the consumer an ability to see how good some of the studios are doing, but it offers the studios an opportunity to see enough of what they're doing so that they'll end up doing a better job.
Okay. That's a single chip. You got some plans in the back to do different models on this, or?
We certainly want to explore going much further than a single projector. And where we go is going to depend on technology. Right now we're working in DLP technology. I've had the greatest success working with engineers in getting the best possible picture out of DLP technology. It doesn't mean that I don't want to look into other technologies, let alone even additions to this. I do want to look in all technologies and see what we can make of all of them.
Is it a cost trade-off that makes the difficult? How much is a machine like this gonna set me back for?
This particular projector is going to retail for about 5,000 euros in Europe, which is essentially nothing. Once you see the picture from this projector, you'll understand that it's a total gift. That Samsung is giving you a gift in this projector at 5,000 euros. The model number of this particular projector is the SP-A800.
Okay. We'll write that next to the clip so everyone
Yeah.
can see.
Incidentally, the screen is the Studio Tech 130 in the case of what we're doing here, and Stuart Film Screen also has gray screens, the Greyhawk reference standard, and we've made the screens accommodate high definition. Originally, when Studio Tech first came out, it's my screen. It's a screen that I helped develop 16 years ago. Originally, the granularity of the screen was fairly coarse. It was coarse enough so that when the small pixel size of 1080p images came on the screen, there was an interference between the granularity of the screen and the pixel structure. So when we finally got the 1080p, the real 1080p projector, we had to go back to Stuart and say, gee, we need the granularity much finer so that it doesn't interfere with the image on the screen. So we have new screens to go along with the projector so that the consumer can see what the projector is capable of doing.
Well, I'll be looking forward to seeing one of those very soon in France.
You will. They are in France now.
Okay. Well, we'll tell our readers how to get there and find them. And thank you for this opportunity. If they want more information on the product specs, they click on the link under the video, and we'll send them off to the product specs.
Thank you.
It's been a pleasure as ever.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Bye-bye.